Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix suspicious login attempts on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Snapchat on your device. You will be taken to the login page, so tap Login. Now enter your username or email address and enter your password and tap Login. After that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number or email address. So enter the code and tap Verify. And that's how you fix suspicious login attempts on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Now I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.